Hello viewers, here is a colorful Lasko box fan. Let's see what the model number is. It is a Type 1 2018 and 19, so it's relatively new. It's 2019 right now as of the recording of the video. So this probably didn't even last a whole summer. I don't see a model number on here anywhere. It's not worth my time to try to figure out what the model number is. This is getting tossed out. I really just grabbed it for the handle, because the handle is still good, and presumably the motor is probably still fine as well. Switch is good, so the handle and the switch will go into an older one of the vintage 3733s that I have with the full size motor. Just for purposes of curiosity, let's see if the motor still works. Oh, the motor doesn't work. Well, this probably, what probably happened is it probably broke unsupervised and it sat locked for a while and either opened the fuse plug or opened the motor's thermal fuse. So I don't know, if I have some extra time someday, maybe I will open this up and see if I can find out why it quit, just for purposes of curiosity. But primarily I just want the handle and the switch.